Good day, everyone. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. Still on our SAT Mathematics series. Let's see what we have on the screen. The dot plot summarizes the number of new employees hired at two branches of a company, branch F and branch G, each year for the past 15 years. Which of the following statements correctly compares the standard deviation of the numbers of new employees hired by the two branches? A. The standard deviation of the number of new employees hired at branch F is equal to the standard deviation of the number of new employees hired at branch G. B. The standard deviation of the number of new employees hired at branch F is less than the standard deviation of new employees hired at branch G. C. The standard deviation of the number of new employees hired at branch F is greater than the standard deviation of the number of new employees hired at branch G. D. There is not enough information to compare the standard deviation of the number of employees hired at the two branches. Okay, now let's try to see this. First, what is standard deviation? Standard deviation measures how far apart data values are from their mean. Okay, now let's see the data values of F and G. Let's compare. Now we can first look at the dot plot. The dot plot for F and G are the same. We have 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, and 1, 1. The data plots are the same. Now let's see the data value. For the first, let's pick the first three data values of F and the first three data values of G. So for F, you have 30, 31, 32, and for G, we have 10, 11, and 12. Now, looking at these two data values, we can say that F is like add 20 to 10. 10 plus 20, 30. For the second data value of F, add 20 to 11, 31. For the third one, add 20 to 12, you have 32. So we can say F is equals to G plus 20 from the way the data values are. Let's consider the last data value of F. This is 38, and for G, this is 18. 18 plus 20 gives 38. So now let's try to compare their means. Now finding the mean of the first three data value of F, 30 plus 31 plus 32 divided by 3. 30 plus 31 is 61. 61 plus 32 is 93. That is 93 divided by 3 gives 31. Let's also find the mean for G. 10 plus 11 plus 12 divided by 3. Now 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 12 is 33. 33 divided by 3 gives 11. So this is the mean for F and this is the mean for G. Now let's see, though we can see even with their mean, the mean for G is 11, the mean for F is 31, which is also a difference of 20. Which means that a change in the number of the values changes the mean. But does that really affect the standard deviation? Remember that the standard deviation measures how far the data value are far apart from the mean. So let's consider this first value of F. 30. Now comparing 30 and 31. 30 is 1 below 31. Comparing 31 and 31. 31 is 0 from 31. 32 and 31, 32 is 1 above 31. So I can say the distance from the mean and the data value of F for 30 and 31, you have 1 below. For 31 and 31, you have 0 apart. 32 and 31, that is, you have 1 above. Now let's consider for that of G. For that of G, for 10 and 11, you have 1 below because 10 is 1 below 11. 11 and 11, that is 0 apart, and 12 and 11, that is 1 above. Is there a difference in how spread the data have from the mean value? No, because this is 1 below, 0, 1 above. And remember, the standard deviation measures how far apart that the data are from the mean. And from this, we can see that the spread of the data is the same for F and G, which means that the standard deviation is the same. What option goes with this? The option that goes with this is the standard deviation of the number of new employees hired at branch F is equal to the standard deviation of the number of new employees hired at branch D. So the correct option for this is option A. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class. Don't forget to place an order for my book, The Basics of Nomenclature in Organic Chemistry. We are running a discount sales from now to the end of July. Instead of 3,000 naira, grab your copy now for just 1,000 naira. And don't forget to book a class with us because we have the best tutors. Bye. See you next time.